Hi, my name is Hannah, and today I'll be telling you about one of the hardest things that I had on Khan Academy this semester, which is one-step multiplication and division equations, fractions, and decimals. So first thing, I realized that every time I put in an answer that is wrong, it would make you it would give you the decision to skip or get the answer. So the first time I tried it on my own, and then the second time I looked at the video. So I'm going to tell you what they told me from the video, or what I learned from the answers. So first thing you want to do is you want to do 2.5 times 4. 2.5 times 4. So 5 times 4 equals 20, 0 down, 2 up, and then 4 times 8, and that equals 10 plus, then you're gonna, from 4 times 2, then you want to add the 8 along. So it would be 10.0. 10.0. Correct. And we'll do one more. So this one isn't really hard. It's just the numbers are just switched around. So you just want to do the same thing as the last time. So you want to do 1.5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. Add that 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. And then plus that little 1, which equals 4. So 4.5. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.